to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome to a new vlog. It is your girl, y'all, we doing some dumb shit. We're not doing dumb shit. We are at this apartment complex that is extremely expensive, okay? But I just wanted to take a look. I've been seeing this place all over, and we're just gonna take a look and see if this could be a possibility one day, Adam.
Have a good one. Thanks.
Hey y'all, so I don't really want I don't really I'm fine. So we're pretty much on him. Okay, so we're just sitting here. I don't know why we're doing this. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we just really wanted to like look at other options, manifest now that this, YouTube money's coming in, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. But we just want to manifest and, find something, a little better. So that's all, y'all. That's all we came to do. I guess I'll show y'all the unit when we...
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top down, I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going to plan, I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend, cause she went back to the man, give a fuck. Just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild where it's going in. Me and Lil I love my Cody to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it direct, give a f.
Hey y'all, what's good? So we left the apartment. Y'all, it is so nice, okay? Like, we seen a townhome and like 2 like regular like apartments, but that townhome, they want 5 bands a month, y'all. But they're brand new. I think that's probably why, because like no one has lived in them before. Like, they're completely brand new. So y'all, I don't know, it just inspired me to elevate and just consider my next like living situation, you know, because you never know. But I am in love. Okay, I am so in love with the property. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, it was dope. I tried to get some videos in, my phone ended up dying, so I'm recording on his phone. And I got like this bump on my lip that I don't want y'all to see because it's pissing me off. It's like a cold sore. Like, ew. So, yeah, y'all. That's the start of this vlog. I don't know. I'm a little hungry. So, I don't want that shit. If you want it, you can get some. I don't want it. I'm kind of thinking like a bagel. The baby's at school. It's Friday. So, hey y'all. So it is a little bit later. Excuse this. Like, I don't know. This happened like yesterday. This is like, oh, it's so fucking ugly. I don't even want to talk to y'all right now, but I took my brother to Burlington and I'm just sitting in the car. I was gonna go in there, but I gotta pick up Neriah in like 20 minutes, you guys. So I came home. Y'all didn't see me after the apartment. I went to the house. I bought some crabs, so I was eating. I'm so fucking full. Like, I ate a lot. So yeah, I ate some crabs, and yeah, me and Nickolee was just chilling and eating, and then I ran my brother to the store. I'm at he's at Burlington. And then yeah, you guys, Neriah gets her hair done today. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, thank you, Jesus, because girl, I am not a hair professional at all. I cannot do hair to save my life. And girl, I just been doing ponytails for the last like 2 weeks. And girl, I'm like, please get some braids in this girl hair so I ain't gotta worry about it, because it is just so frustrating having to worry about her hair. Girl, I'm not the best like hair person. I'm not. I give tenfold to people that can do hair, because I can't do nothing. So yeah, you guys, she gets her hair done a little bit later. Just like, oh my god, y'all, I can't stop thinking about that apartment. And not only that, like, there's other apartments out there, and I'm sure I can get them at a better deal, but it's just the thought of knowing that this could very much be a possibility is like so mind-blowing. That's why I went today. I just wanted to manifest. You know, we were driving by and I was like, you know, we ain't doing nothing else, let's take a look inside. And it just changed my whole perspective. Girl, it made my apartment look like fucking trash, okay? And you know, we were so happy to move into our current apartment because of where we came from. So now we looking at our apartment like, you know, we can do better than this. And it's just mind-blowing what YouTube can do, bitch. Like, I'm telling y'all hoes, get on YouTube, okay? Because it will real deal change your life. Like, I already see it, and I'm just manifesting my life in like a couple of months right now. So yeah, you guys. And then like our lease ain't up until August, so we clearly are like not going anywhere no time soon. But I mean, it's always good to look, and you know, yeah, it's always good to look and get an idea. So yeah, you guys. Oh my god, I've been looking for this nail salon for like 2 weeks and I just found it. It's right fucking here, like by my house. Yeah, I'm sitting in a car, but y'all see, yeah, you see 2 ladies outside. That is a black owned nail salon. They just opened this location. They have a location in Orlando, which is like downtown. But it's like hard parking. It's like barely any, it's just like not a good location. So I guess they came to this location and I am just now finding it. Like, I knew they were in Altamont, but I didn't know where they were. And like, that's crazy, they right across the street from my house. So I might be seeing them soon to get my nails done. I don't know if I told y'all this, but girl, I am getting a hype video done for my birthday. Period. Okay, like, no cap. I wish I can show y'all, but I'm on my phone right now, like what type of video I'm going for. But I'm going to get a hype video for my birthday, bitch. And it's probably gonna be filmed. I've been looking for videographers and like cinematographers, whatever the fuck they're called. I've been looking for a few in the Orlando area, but I want a hype video, and I kind of want some of the footage to be like in a club. So we're gonna have to like go to the club one night and like film the video. It's gonna be dope. Like, it's gonna be dope, y'all are going to be okay. But I'm gonna film that for my birthday. That's gonna be my little birthday montage, and then I'll just be celebrating my birthday the week after, or the end of that month, which is all right with me, I guess. But yeah, I did say, like, if I'm going out of town, cause girl, I'm very overdue for a fucking trip. I haven't been nowhere since fucking, I don't even fucking know. When was my last trip? Yeah, like a lot of me, like really before I moved up here, it was a lot of me coming to Orlando looking for places. And then like now that we moved up here, I ain't been no fucking way. Oh, I went to Vegas. I went to Vegas with Precious. I forgot about that. Yeah, like my last trip was Vegas. And when I went to Vegas, September. Yeah, it was September. Well, like August, September. So October, November, December, January. Bitch, we need a trip. I might just go to like Tampa next weekend. Like, we need to just, we are like overdue for a fucking trip. Like, hell yeah, I'm well overdue for a trip. So I don't know. Even if you go to Tampa, bitch, and just stay a night. Like, that's what I'm about. Okay, I don't know about you, bitch. But girl, I need to be out. Okay, I love the little hotel setting, even if we there for a night and just an overnight thing. But that's what I'm about. Okay, so yeah, that is the vibe. It's 2:41. He gotta come on because I got to go pick up Neriah. Oh, hey vlog. Don't ask where I'm at. First of all, let me talk to y'all. The bathroom is closed. They cleaning it. So, I'm sorry. We took Neriah to get her hair done. So, we're by International, and we're just driving around waiting for Neriah. And I gotta pee. So, I walked in this hotel, and they're cleaning it. So that's the vibe, you guys. I had a panic attack like 10 minutes ago. It was not fun. Like, when you have serious panic attacks, it's really not fun. So thought I'd vlog. That's what we do. But yeah, we just riding around. I might go get something to eat. I'm feeling better. But I do gotta pee.
Hype Williams, look,
gotta respect. Niggas just got. Hey.